You have started studying for the CISSP, but months later, you're still not ready. Sounds familiar? Well, you're not alone. Most people struggle not because the exam is too hard, but because they never actually finish studying. So in this video, I'm going to show you a proven system to stay on track, complete your prep, and pass the exam on your first attempt. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Suleiman. I'm a United Nations awarded writer, son of two photographers, an MBA from Starlight Business School, which is one of the top 100 MBAs in the world, and I research new tech for a living. So here are my 7 steps to finish your unfinished business. Number 1, set a hard deadline. This is the secret to commitment. If you don't set a deadline, you'll keep pushing your studies forever. Search about something called as Parkinson's law. That work expands to fill the time needed for its completion. And the best way to stay accountable is to book your exam day early. There is no urgency better than a real urgency, especially when your money is at stake. But I recommend giving yourself 8 to 12 weeks of structured study time. Once you have a fixed deadline, your study sessions become more focused and intentional. Number 2, follow a structured study plan. One of the biggest mistakes people make is that they study randomly. Instead, follow a structured study plan which covers all of the 8 CISSP domains. Break it down into weekly goals so that you always know what to focus on. Here's a simple breakdown. Week 1, security and risk management. Week 2, asset security. Week 3, security architecture and engineering. Week 4, communication and network security. Week 5, identity and access management. Week 6, security assessment and testing. Week 7, security operations. And week 8, software development security. If you have more time, spread it out. If you have less time, go harder. But whatever you do, stick to a plan. Point number 3, use active learning. Don't just read things. Reading the CISSP book or books is not enough. To retain the information, use active learning techniques. Teach concepts to someone else, or try to explain it to yourself out loud if you don't find someone. Write down summaries instead of just highlighting. Use flashcards. I recommend Anki to test your recall. By the way, I have made a video which is called the SHIELD framework for CISSP success. I would link it down below this video. Go ahead, check it out. Point number 4, take practice exams. At least 10, because this is key. The CISSP exam is tricky. It's not just about knowing facts. It's about understanding how to apply security principles in real-world scenario. Aim for at least 10 practice exams. Each practice exam has anywhere between 100 to 150 questions. And don't just memorize answers. Analyze each answer, whether it's correct or wrong. The best resources for CISSP practice exams are Boson CISSP exams or Cybex official CISSP tests. Choose whichever one you like. Point number 5, stimulate the exam. Train like you're really giving the test. The CISSP exam is a 3-hour long exam. You need to build the stamina to sit through it. So test yourself at least twice before the exam to sit through the whole exam without any breaks. This will help you get comfortable with the exam format, improve your time management, and perhaps reduce your anxiety during the test day. Point number 6, get an accountability partner. Don't study alone. Even if this other person or your accountability partner is not doing a CISSP, that can be a friend, a family member, or anybody. They just need to check on you whether you're doing your studies or not, because it's easy to get distracted when you study alone. That's why I recommend always joining a study group or getting an accountability partner. This can help you stay motivated, discuss difficult topics, and keep pushing forward. Options for study groups can be LinkedIn or Discord CISSP groups, or study partners on Reddit or Facebook, or your local CISSP training groups. Point number 7, the final week strategy. What to do before the exam. The final week before the exam should be focused on your weak areas. Going over notes and key concepts, avoiding last-minute cramming, and trust what you have learned. Also, make sure to get enough sleep before the test day. A tired brain won't perform well on a 3 to 4 hour long exam. By the way, if you found this video helpful or you're still struggling in something in your CISSP journey, just leave a comment and let me know where you are in your journey, and I would love to help you out. And yeah, if you need more help in knowing about CISSP, I made a video about it and its 8 domains. And I also made a video about my Shield framework for CISSP success. Be sure to check it out. See ya. Bye bye.